Hey guys, this is T here with T Connection. So today we're going to be using the Breville juicer and we're going to be juicing some cucumbers. Alright, so I cut them up in smaller pieces and we all know that cucumber juice is very refreshing. So yeah, let's get started to make some cucumber juice. Turn it on. Let's see what we have here. Wow, that's pretty. Let's pour some of it in there. Okay. Just like the celery juice. I swear, the screen is really pretty. But anyway, guys. So here you have it. This is just juicing straight cucumbers. And I think in some later videos, like down the line, I'm going to be mixing other things within my juices, I should say. So I'll probably add like lemons or ginger or some strawberries. Like, we'll have fun with it and do some different things. But guys, if you got a juicer, start juicing. If you don't have one, find one to get so you can start juicing and drink some refreshing juices and drinks and have fun and everything, okay? So again, this is just straight cucumber juice and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.